Hey guys, what's happening? It's Thursday evening. Everybody already went home. It was a busy day today. Got some cool stuff going on I wanted to show you. Finally, after much waiting, the OHLIN'S shock for Kenny's 500 came in. This was special ordered from the UK, and the Wizard's going to mount this on here in the morning. I just got it kind of mocked up there. The OHLIN'S shock is, as far as I know, the best shock you can put on a CR500, and we have spared no expense on the build of this. The shock came from the UK, the tank came from the UK, the seat came from the UK, some parts from Japan, the suspension from Sweden, the best of the best. Billet aluminum triple clamps, Renthal bars, oversized wave rotor, hydraulic clutch, pro circuit pipe, special porting, all new seals and gaskets and bearings, and everything in the motor's fresh and brand new. And Junior's going to be ready to send it on this thing, so stay tuned. This is coming together nicely. He's got the sand tire on it ready for Southwick, so that's going to be really coming together quickly. Kind of change gears a little bit. Jimmy's been working on the iron head here, giving it some final touches. This just sold the iron head Springer Sportster, the Ace of Spades. Found a new home. Some lucky buyer bought this, and I'm sure they're looking forward to getting it. Jimmy's just giving it a once-over. This is a fresh build with less than 2 miles on it, frame-up build. So he's torquing everything down and getting it dialed in. So that's going to go to its new home soon. Then over here, Billy Blythe has been working on a Daytona Special RD350 all day. We've been working on this bike since Rice-A-Rama in the fall. Did a full rebuild on the motor, crank seals, crank bearings, new top end, everything's bored and everything's cleaned up, brand new pistons and rings, and $2,100 into the motor, and new chain, putting a new tire on it tomorrow. It's got brand new paint job, graphics, scripts, mirrors, just a stupendous looking machine, just a real beauty. So looking forward to riding this thing. Brand new seat cover on it too. So this one's going to be coming out soon. I got an RD350 upstairs I'm going to ride tonight. We're going to have the Can-Am, the Jimmy Ellis special together pretty soon. Got a couple other cool projects coming up. We got this GS750. I bought this from a 78-year-old guy that had it since 1979 for 40 years. It's got Fox shocks on it, super track exhaust. It's set up for cafe racing. This is from the Marcus Derry era. We're gonna make it, modernize it, and make it badass. Got a nice DT 250 coming up, and a all original Montesa Enduro. And of course, I got the ice bikes on the 500. We're supposed to go to the Moto Jam hill climb and drag race this weekend, but it got postponed due to lack of snow. So the CRs are all coming together. We'll be ready to rumble soon. Postponed until the 26th. There she is, 1975 Yamaha RD350, original paint, classic. The rip-up, brand new tires, brakes are all rebuilt, never crashed, never beat on, pipes are perfectly straight. All original chrome, has all the original turn signals and everything it's supposed to have. probably told you guys that in 1980, when I was 15 years old, I had this exact same motorcycle. Before that, I had a Triumph 500 Daytona, which I actually traded for this beautiful little orange RD350 because it was faster and more reliable, and hell, I just wanted to ride, and the Yamahas are bulletproof. I knew that because I had one since I was a little kid, and I never regretted that decision. I had a blast on that RD350, and it was the same exact color. I had a backrest with a luggage rack on the back. I used to strap all my stuff to that and drive that thing everywhere and use it as my main transportation. But great little bikes. I don't remember the last time I've seen one this nice. Heck, I don't know if mine was this nice back in 1980. This is just a super nice low mileage piece, pretty much unobtainium. I haven't seen one. They rarely, you know, go to all the big shows, Daytona, everywhere. Once in a blue moon you'll see one, but most of them got run into the ground and smashed or raced or modified. To find one bone stock like this, it just doesn't happen. So anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, more good things to come, and God bless America.